So we'll drop it from normal waist height. Dude, I'm really scared. 3, 2, 1. Okay, as an Android fanboy, I have a confession to make. Android smartwatches suck. Until Samsung moved their Galaxy Watch 4 to Android and things got better. In case you don't know, Samsung in 2021 was the fastest growing smartwatch company. And we have tried lots of Samsung watches like Galaxy Watch Active 2, Galaxy Watch 4, and these are newly released Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Now in case this is your first smartwatch, you get the watch itself, a wireless charger. This year the charger is Type-C. Few paperwork which we never read, so back into the box. Now a lot of people don't talk about this. Both the Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro come with removable straps, 20mm straps. So you can get these 20mm extra straps from Samsung.com or offline store. You can get it in different colors like white, black, blue, red. But this classic watch style of buckle and then pushing in the strap. See, I have hairy forearms and it hurts. The hair breaks. Although it's really strong grip, but yeah. So this year Samsung has launched these D-buckle straps which look like those classic watch straps. See, you insert it like this as per your size, and now this comes out, and now these straps stick to each other with a magnet. But is the magnet strong enough? Well, let's check. So see here, you have to pull it really hard, the strap, for the magnet to come out. It's really strong. Suppose if you're running or you're shaking your hands, you're playing something, it doesn't come out. Pretty strong. Now you get this D-buckle kind of strap default with the Watch 5 Pro. With the Watch 5, you get the classic sports strap. Now, most of you would know everything from 2000 to 50,000 is a smartwatch. But the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is quite different from a normal smartwatch. Like, see, if you swipe up, you get app drawer where you can install apps like you do on your Android smartphone directly from the Google Play Store. Or what you can do is, see here, you can go to your Android phone, Google Play Store, type YouTube Music, and see, there is an option called available on more devices. And from right here, I can install apps on my smartwatch. Cool and really quick. And if you swipe down, you get quick settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, DND, etc. And if you swipe left, you can reply to notifications or pick up calls.
And I picked up a lot of calls when my phone was away, and zero problems in calls. The mic on the watch is really good.
Now you can only see WhatsApp calls on the watch. You cannot answer it. You can reject it, and you can only see WhatsApp photos, no GIFs or audio messages. But it shows all unread messages from a chat in a thread. That's like really good. And the mic and voice reply has also gotten better. So now you can type, comma, laughing smiley, and will you eat, question mark. Pretty damn accurate. The dictation has gotten better with the new One UI Watch 4.5. Also, the new One UI Watch 4.5 brings QWERTY keyboard where you can swipe type, and there's also dual SIM calling options right from the watch. Rest, you have two buttons, and this is home button with a red accent, and this is back button. You can long press the home button to activate Bixby or Google Assistant, whatever you choose. Now, one of the major upgrades this year has been build quality. The Watch 5 Pro has sapphire crystal glass with a titanium body. Also, the Watch 5 has sapphire crystal glass as well. So last year, Galaxy Watch 4 had Corning Gorilla Glass. But the thing is, I used it for a long time. And I'm a little tiny careless person, so I've often banged my hand in the wall or a pole. And although the Galaxy Watch 4 is really durable, you see the frame has some chips. But we have been using both the Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro for 5 days now, and you see absolutely no scratches. And this sapphire glass is said to be 60% more durable.
Drop test, drop.
Yes, we can drop it actually. So we'll drop it from normal waist height. Dude, I'm really scared. 3, 2, 1. The sound of it. It's fine. It's fine. Nothing happened. Now, of course, you cannot predict how your watch will fall from your hand or just go away flying, and this is something we'll see in the long term. So the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro have the same exact sensors. Now we'll take a walk around this park and I'll manually count the steps and we'll see if the watch is accurate. Shall forget the count. So as per the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, it is 4211. So 4211 minus 3555. 656 steps as per the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and manually I counted 580 steps. Both of them are close. Also, both watches have inbuilt GPS, so it can track your workout route without the phone. Now, a very personal example, I swim a lot these days, so I've used the Galaxy Watch 4, which wasn't that accurate in swimming. And see here, side by side, the Galaxy Watch 5 has a more protruding back than the Galaxy Watch 4, so it's more in contact with the skin. But in my limited time, see, it clearly detected that I did 9 laps, and it shows that it was freestyle, backstroke. Pretty impressive. Also, it is 5 ATM plus IP68, so water resistant. You can drop it in water, wash it, it works. Also, you get auto workout recording for walking, running, swimming or gym, and it starts after 10 minutes. Like for example, if you work out for 20 minutes, the workout detection will automatically start after 10 minutes of workout, but it will record the entire 20 minutes, and it was accurate. Also, I'm having bad sleep for the past 4-5 days, like bad times, but I was sleep tracking, and see here, I got up frequently that night and it detects it. Like here, I just got up to watch time on my phone, like I forgot I had a watch on my wrist, so it registered that I got up. Sleep tracking is on point. However, I noticed it tracks your blood oxygen or SpO2 in sleep, and one day it shows that my SpO2 was below 90% for 1 minute 27 seconds. I'm not sure how accurate that is. Also, it detects snoring during sleeping, but I'm not showing you the data. No, I don't snore when I sleep. Also, you get an additional temperature sensor on both the Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro, but as of now, it is not functional. There is also body composition analysis, so you can put your fingers like this and the watch will tell you your body fat percentage, muscle percentage, and no, I'm not showing you my body fat percentage. No! Now, the major thing with smartwatches have been battery life. Like every smartwatch that you buy will last 1.5 days. But hear this out. Samsung has improved the battery life by about 60% on the Watch 5 Pro. So it is the biggest battery on any smartwatch ever. And the Watch 5 Pro easily lasts 3.5 days. Now, 3.5 days doesn't sound big? Well, hold on. 3.5 days with 24/7 heart rate, always on display, full brightness, all notifications on WhatsApp, everything. So if you just switch off always on display, it goes easily for 4 to 5 days, which is crazy. It also fast charges now, so 45% in 30 minutes and 100% in 1 hour 5-10 minutes. Also, you can only wirelessly charge your Samsung watch on the back of a Samsung smartphone. It doesn't support Qi wireless charging. I haven't seen better battery life on any proper smartwatch in my entire life. And I've also used the Apple Watch. Now, Sayan, my teammate, was using the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro for 5 days now. So, Sayan, 3 things that you found interesting about the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro.
First, I would say I'm a long-time Galaxy Watch user. So, I really miss the rotating bezel on this one. It's a bit heavy.
Okay.
It's 45 mm, so it's a little heavy. People with bigger wrists like me would really like this. Okay, and this time they have raised the bezel, so if you bump into something, your display will still be safe. Okay, number 2 is the battery life. It's amazing with a capital A. So 3, there's this new feature called a trackback feature. If I get lost, I can basically use this watch and return back home.
So, where do you actually go for a run?
Bro, I just missed the rotating bezel.
Now, the Galaxy Watch 5 starts at 27,999. I'm not sure about the offers, but the processor, RAM, storage is same as Galaxy Watch 4, and both of them are already fast, no lags. So, if you're coming from Galaxy Watch 4, stay on it. If you're using a Galaxy Watch Active 2 or Galaxy Watch 3, I would recommend the Galaxy Watch 5 44mm version that has a better battery life and a bigger display. And if you can, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro starts at 44,999, and it is the best Android smartwatch money can buy, hands down. This is Pratik signing off. See you in the next video. Pew, pew, pew.